Correr. Oh, this is another common hobby. I really don't like this one. I like more caminar, to walk, more than correr. I don't know why. Correr means to run or running, right? Correr, correr. Yo corro, tú corres, él corre. We need to use the R sound. Don't be afraid of it. You can do it. Correr, correr. Okay. Acostumbro a correr cada mañana. Acostumbro a correr cada mañana. That's a good habit, definitely, and a good hobby as well. This means I usually run every morning .g. No, sorry, morning. What's going on? I usually run every morning. Acostumbro a correr cada mañana. When you talk about hobbies, besides saying me gusta, amo, me encanta, you know, the previous phrases we talked about, another common thing to say in Spanish is this right here. This word right here. Acostumbro, acostumbro. Yo acostumbro. Acostumbrar is a verb and it means something that you do often. Okay? Something that you do, it could be every day. Okay? You are it's similar to saying to be accustomed to be in the habit of, to be in the habit of. In this situation, I usually do something, right? Or you're used to doing something. Acostumbrar, that's another great verb that we should talk about in the future. That's a very important one. Yo acostumbro, similar to saying I usually. Okay, I usually. And then a correr, acostumbro a. This word right here, this verb, and this commonly used together. This preposition a commonly used together. Acostumbro a. Okay, acostumbro a, and then you add the rest to the sentence. In this situation, we're talking about running, right? So correr. So you put a verb right here. Acostumbro a correr. I usually run. Okay. So obviously, this phrase right here, very good to learn. Acostumbro a. And you can change it to something else. For example, instead of running, you like, I don't know, eat at certain time, right? Eat breakfast at certain time. So you can say acostumbro a comer desayuno a las 6 de la mañana. I usually eat breakfast at 6 a.m. Okay, so this phrase here, acostumbro a, learn that one because it's very useful. In this situation, we're talking about correr. Acostumbro a correr. I usually run every. My God, my underlining is so bad. Mañana. Morning. Mañana means tomorrow or morning in Spanish. So in this situation, we're talking about morning. Acostumbro a correr cada mañana. I usually run every morning.